If you stand for a reason, be prepared to stand alone, like a tree. And if you fall on the ground, fall like a seed that grows back to fight again. If you want to be successful, you must respect one rule: never lie to yourself. To be kind is more important than to be right. Many times, what people need is not a brilliant mind that speaks, but a special heart that listens. Three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. Don't be a beggar of love, be a donor of love. Beautiful people are not always good, but good people are always beautiful. Successful people always have two things on their lips: silence and smile. Relationship never dies a natural death. They are murdered by ego, attitude, and ignorance. When you stop trying to change others and work on changing yourself, your world changes for the better. Faith and prayers both are invisible, but they make impossible things possible. The only real failure in life is not to be true to the best one knows. One moment can change a day, one day can change a life, and one life can change the world. If you propose to speak, always ask yourself, is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? No matter how hard the past, you can always begin again. Never get too attached to someone, because attachment leads to expectations, and expectations lead to suffering. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much, because no matter how bad the situation is, it will change. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. Just as a candle cannot burn without fire, man cannot live without a spiritual life.